In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Notion. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, manage signups, or simply organize data efficiently, creating a form in Notion is a straightforward process that can enhance your productivity. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to head over to your Notion workspace. Notion is a versatile tool that many people use for note-taking, project management, and beyond. Finding your way to the Notion website or app is as simple as a few clicks. Once you're there, take a moment to appreciate the layout of your workspace. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, which makes creating forms just a step away. Now, let's move on to creating a new page, which will serve as the home for your form. In the Notion interface, you'll find an option to create a new page, usually marked by a plus sign or a prompt that says New Page. Clicking on this will open a blank page where you can start building your form. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think of this page as a blank canvas where you can organize your thoughts into actionable items. Once you have your new page ready, you're going to want to type in a command. Within Notion, typing form will trigger an option to insert a form block onto your newly created page. This command is part of Notion's versatile /commands, which allow you to easily insert various types of content and structures into your page. If you're ever feeling stuck or unsure, these commands can be a helpful feature to explore. After typing form, an option should appear for you to insert a form block. Go ahead and click on that option and instantly a form structure will appear on your page. This is where the foundation of your form is laid out. And from here, you can begin customizing it according to your needs. You'll now enter the form's title and continue filling in your new form. This form can include fields such as text boxes, check boxes, or date pickers, whatever suits the purpose of your form. Think carefully about the kind of data you want to collect and use the available fields accordingly. Notion allows you to adapt the form structure to make it as simple or as detailed as you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a form in Notion. You can take this opportunity to review the form layout, make any necessary adjustments, and later share it with collaborators or the intended audience. It's a powerful way to streamline data collection and make your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy form building.